Tubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingpuli ka jingseo ka baret but hila ban layu ban puli da ka education loan. Hila ruban shukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu laisan, ar riwe khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan
Hadian belawai ke jingalang jong Kynhun ki Myntri Sorkar jela Myntri rang ba jela ukonrat ke sangma ulai thu bagi dan rutuli ki mat ki balai keren ha jingalang bat kita ki kentup ya jing penbet thamai ki kendon jong executive business hadian balapan kala kerteng ya planning department sya planning invest promotion and sustainable development department Myntri rang ba wala pentip baka Sorkar kalarai bantau no ikatanat forensic science namar ba kumba kalong menta ka forensic cell ka hap hapo ka jingpai jong ki pulet kumta ka Sorkar ka kwa baka di banlong kabala luot bat kan thau no la ka jong katanat bat kan nang penklan bat penyar susu ya ka jing trikam jong ka bat ban penbiang no iktiar kitar ki badan kam nang ta ka Sorkar kala terwaru man kuntup lang no ya ka Secretary of Meghalaya State Public Service Delivery Commission ha ka thup jong kitanat Sorkar khnang bikin don la ka jong ka bor ban trikam Ka Sorkar kelarai ru banwan raya ka mission ka bathamai ka ba antip kum ka CM solar mission balingba kani ka mission ka Sorkar ka nyarap lani kan ai subsidy ya ki paj ba hasar bat hanong kandong bakin thie ki inverter bat ki wei pat ki tiar man thang boarding da ka bor jong ka singi ya kani Myntri rang ba ulong ba an pentre kam no hau banai banwan ya kani ka solar mission
The amendment of the rules of executive business was done today to include the Planning, Investment, Promotion and Sustainable Development Department. As you're aware that the Planning Department was renamed as a Planning, Investment, Promotion and Sustainable Development Department, and hence as a regularization process, the amendment to the rules of executive business had to be done, and that has to be cleared by Cabinet. So that was done today. As you're aware that there is a forensics science cell that works, but it works under the police headquarters, and as per one of the human rights commissions, this particular department or directorate had to be created, which is going to be independent of the PHQ and come straight under the Home Department, and hence that decision has been made today. So the manpower and necessary systems are in place, and hence it's only an administrative decision to have a separate directorate for forensic sciences. And of course, we have also decided that we will strengthen the entire forensics department by ensuring that more investments are made in different equipments. Also, there was a proposal for to include the Secretary of the Meghalaya State Public Service Delivery Commission in the list of heads of departments under Rule FR and SR 1984. This is a basic purpose to ensure that the Secretary of the Commission is able to, to have all the necessary power to, so that they can conduct normal procedures and be able to have expenditures made at their level, and they don't have to come to the government for different approvals. So the head of departments, the Secretary of the Commission, will also now be in that list. We have also given a presentation for a new mission, which is called the CM Solar Mission, and this has been also approved today in the Cabinet. And the idea and the purpose is really to have sustainable green energy also as part of our energy mix. And in this process, government will subsidize different house units, institutional units, and house units in urban and house units in rural areas, where we will be subsidizing certain percentage, where technology based on the photovoltaic cells plus an inverter plus battery backup will be given, which will be a hybrid system, and this will allow some sort of stability in the power in the long run, and we strongly feel that this will add to the energy mix, and this will be a decentralized model, and this is something that we have approved today, we expect that in the next 1 month we'll be able to roll out the CM solar mission also.